Yeah, good morning, my brother. Good morning, and how are
Um,
you?
Money, how are you? How about you? How about your family?
Yeah, we bless God. Alhamdulillah. Uh, so, please and please, ne? Can we know you? Can Nigerians know you? Like, what is your name and where are you from in Nigeria?
So, my name is Hassan, popularly known as Barista Hassan.
Okay.
Uh, I am Fulani by tribe. I was born in northern Nigeria, but I don't know why exactly I was born because some of the time I think I was born in Rivers State. But let me say I was born in Nigeria because I was growing in Nigeria. Even like when I was born in Rivers,
Mm,
so I was
mm,
born in northern Nigeria. It's all the same
mm.
because we are all Nigerian.
Yes.
You
Yeah.
understand?
Yeah.
So, my name is Hassan. I
Mm,
am Fulani by tribe. My
mm.
parents, they are nomadic people. I've been moving place to place to find grazing and some things
Yeah.
because we don't
Yeah.
have like
Yeah.
cattle, healthiness. So that's my
Okay. So you have
short
you
in.
have you have cows of your own. You have cow of your own. Do you have cow of your own?
Yeah, my family have it before, and
Okay.
so this is our culture, is our nature.
Okay.
You are born in the Fulani family. Some a lot of us we get the cow since you less than 1 week in this world.
Mm.
Some of them are parents giving you 2 to 3. We have it before. But
So
now
once they
the
once
world
they
is
give birth
at
to you,
speed.
they give you two cows.
Huh?
Once they give birth to you, they give you two cows. Is that what you're saying?
Ah, I'm hearing you.
I said, once in Fulani, once they give birth to you, they give you two cows. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, yeah.
Uh,
Yeah. Some of them they're giving you 2 or 3 or more than depending on what you get. Some of them two, some of them three, some of them 10.
okay, okay.
So
So, Mr. Hassan,
yeah.
so there is this video circulating on social media. So I don't know if you have seen the video, but the video, it has your face there. I think you were showing Nigerians, or you were showing whoever you were showing passport of some people. So I want to know, and according to the video, allegedly they say
Hmm?
that house belongs to a senator in Nigeria. So that passport, I want to know the passport, the people you were showing in that video, that their faces were on that passport. Are they bandits or not? Were they bandits?
No. I'm sure 100% they are bandit because I'm not asking anybody to tell me about them because some of them we're coming together, we are growing together. Even our grandparents they was born together.
Hmm.
You understand? Some of them we have family relatives. All of
Together.
them they are leaders of bandits. I know them. There is no. I don't need anybody to give me information about them. I know them. They know me. I know them. They know me since before
Hmm.
because we have problem with them. What the problem? Our parents put on school. They have been giving us chance to study. So that time they are not studying themselves and their child. That is the reason they don't want anybody. They don't want anybody who has education system or background. They stole our cows more than almost 500 cows.
Hmm.
Then most people, I asking myself since that time, some of them they are among the people who killing our family members. Some
Hmm.
of them among the people who destroy our life, destroy our Hausa people community who have been living together, were living together to peaceful life. So whatever I said, if I'm lying to you, let me give you the exact address. Go and ask, showing them my face. You want to prove the truth. You went to Zamfara State,
Okay.
Maru local government,
Okay.
Magami, Dansa, where before you reach Dansa, ask the people where is Ertasha. When you reach the Ertasha, you find anybody to ask him where is the Gambo, where is the house of Gambo? Our area, our village name is Jamanya. You understand?
Okay.
Jamanya is the name of some Nile river, like river. So a lot of people they are knowing us because our parents they struggling to give us education, to give us good life without moving, continue the way they are living in this world. They don't want us to continue that life.
Yeah.
That is the reason to try to live up in that condition.
Mm.
So our brothers Fulani has been stole our cows, kidnap our people. Even my sister, my younger sister,
Mm.
they have been told they have been kidnapped her. At that time, I think she don't even pass 15 years to 16 years.
Mm.
They adopted my father, my sister, my brother, father. They have been killed some of my family members.
Mm.
So I asking myself, why those people we have been born together, we are growing together since our grandparents, why they have been did this bad thing to me? So not the whole thing is not surprising me because whoever doesn't have knowledge or some background education, he can do whatever he wants because without knowing what is the law, what is humanity, what is material life, you don't know what is the value of life or human.
Mm.
You understand?
Mm.
So at that time, I asked myself, how those people can do whatever they want without thinking anything. Understand?
Mm.
So I went to them. I asked some of top of the leaders. I asked him,
Some of the
hey
leaders of the
man,
bandits.
you know me? Yeah, you know me. His name is Dogo Gide. When you search in internet, you
I
find
know,
so
I
many
know, I know Dogo
crime.
Gide. He's one of the most notorious bandit kingpin.
He stole, who adopted the child in the Kebbi State in 2021, I think.
Yeah.
Is it 2021? In Yauri, girls.
Mm.
And he did so many things. I asked him, why?
So you went to
Dogo, I
meet
know
him.
him.
You went to meet him. You know him. He knows you. You went to meet him.
I know him since he was child. He know me because we are we are growing together. You understand?
Mm.
You know me, I know him. Not about where since that time his parents has punished had beaten him. I know him. I asked him about the whole these matters. I know you since before Dogo. Why now you become a stronger fighters? Uh, and then without education, without anything, how did you get all this weapon? He said you are surprised to me. Why we can't get it? We have godfathers, politicians. Some people have been sending behind us. They have been sponsoring us, they're giving us.
So he
But
told
even
you
that
this.
time, I
Dogo
wasn't.
Gide himself. Dogo Gide himself was telling you all this thing.
Yeah, he told me all this information because he believed me. 100% he believed me. So at that time, I don't believe. Then uh, let me cut the story, please. In 2021, in 2021, I went to in 2021 I went to some office. You understand?
Mm.
I went at that time the Nigerian police had been declared somebody as a wanted. I thought you saw that news.
Yeah.
His name is his name is Adua Leru
I know.
from
Yeah.
Katsina
They
State.
declare. Yeah. I know. They declare him wanted.
They say whoever know information about how police catch him, how they will going to get him is they will give you 5 million. At that time, I'm not one money, but I know him how they destroy my life. I'm very angry with them. Then I went to the police headquarters in Katsina State. I asked them, please, if I'm ready to get information for you, because as a Nigerian, I have a right to go in to do whatever to support Nigerian schools. So okay, they are welcoming me at that time. He welcoming me. Someone, his name is SP Gambo Isa. I think he spoke police. There is his face is so many videos inside police clothing in social media. When you type in SP Gambo Isa Katsina, you saw him his interview with
SP.
journalists with the criminal
SP.
Gambo Isa.
Gambo Isa.
Gambo
Okay.
Isa.
Okay. You
You
were.
understand?
He was the one you met.
Yeah, he welcomed him. He welcomed me. When he saw this video, he remembered that time. He asked me my address. I told him. He said, whatever you're trying to do, this is good thing. You will trying to do is good thing. So later, he said, no, now we don't have capacity to support you to bring us information. That time I know these people, they are not taking it seriously. I left them. So then I continue to my work because I'm going back to Rivers to continue on my business because I have a lot of my family members in Rivers State. At that time, I get money. I struggle in I'm holding 2 years, almost 2 years. Then I get few money. I came back. Then I went to farming.